Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Okay, so today's comes to us from Shamika of Loveland, Colorado. My insurance company is the worst. I had wind damage, which caused leaks to the cedar shake in the roof on above my bedroom and attic and garage. So they did not offer, the insurance company did not offer to tarp for further rain damage. So I had a third party come out to inspect the property. They didn't take any pictures of the damage, and that was all in the claim. So I asked for a reinspection, which was ignored. Okay, I have been given the runaround for months, saying I will get a more seasoned adjuster to look at the damage, and the person that came out was the same one. That's what insurance companies do, people. They're wasting your damn time. All right, let's see. They just found all excuses not to pay for my claim or for the repair. They know a huge windstorm affected the area. It was on record, and they give out an estimate to give a roofing contractor so that I could pay out of pocket. What? I don't know. A lot of that doesn't make sense, but what it comes down to is the insurance companies have limited resources in regards to personnel. They have almost unlimited resources when it comes to money. Like globally, insurance companies have over $1 trillion in reserves. So when you are made to feel bad about them, like on TV, oh my gosh, we've lost $12 billion. That is a ton of money for anybody. But when you have $1 trillion as a group of insurance companies, the same ones that are trying to make you feel bad on TV because they've lost so much money and your rates are going up, just remember, those are the same insurance companies with the pool of $1 trillion in reserves, okay? So the insurance company should send out the proper adjuster. If they don't, you need to get somebody involved to help you, like us. That's what we do. So on your residential, commercial, industrial, medical, multifamily, apartment building, whatever it might be, metal building, warehouses, okay? Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. See what we can do to help you out.